Welcome to Golden Age United. I pulled a card for us today, a spirit guide card, and that card is Mystical Attainment, Your Path Home. Are you a rouge mystic, having tolerated a lifetime of disrespect? Those days are over. From now on, accept no limits regarding your mystical wisdom and revelations. Proceed with humility, without spiritual ego. Focus on the happiness and joy of your mystical attainments while shedding your addictions to struggle and disease. Surrender to the miracles of life, of your God-realized mystical, magical life. Thanks for tuning in. Take a look at us at goldenageunited.com and our Golden Age United YouTube page here. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.